Nag-share tayo ng baby sa kung paano kumuha ng weight ng baby. This is the one. My sound is not clear. So, this is the head circumference. That is the abdomen, sir. And that is the other one is the abdomen circumference. And this is ilang weeks? Next is the femoral length. Yung hita ng bata. Yan. Para makuha ang weight ng baby. So, that is the femoral length. It's 20 weeks and 6 days. Yan ang heartbeat. Heartbeat niya. Tapos na. So, next is malusog naman siya. So, normal. This normal heartbeat of the fetus. So, is lying prone, huh? She's lying down. This is the head. This is the vertebral column. And she's facing down. Nakataob siya. Yung baby nakataob. So, what is the sex? Okay. Kailangan natin malaman ang sex. Ang kanyang gender.
I have first baby 13 years old. Girl. Girl. Second.
This girl also?
Girl.
Ano? I don't know. I thought you know already. Yeah, she's
Girl.
girl or
Girl. Yeah, it's girl. Girl.
yes. Well, yeah, this is the one. Babae siya. Girl. Second girl.
Girl.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's a girl. Okay. And this is the weight of the baby.
it is 20 weeks, 4 days.
The weight.
And weight is 336.
And this is the
Your
expected date.
second April.
2nd April.
My birthday is 3rd
So,
April. My birthday is 3rd April. Maybe it
your
is
birthday
3rd
also.
April.
So, good.
You must have learned to
You will deliver the same date.
3rd April.
Yes, okay. That's all for now. Tapos na. Bye-bye. See you. God bless.